Salt, poison. Liverpool.
To Liverpool, say yes or press 1. Otherwise, say no or please choose from Lancashire Constabulary, Cheshire Constabulary, Merseyside Police, or say I don't know.
Merseyside Police.
Please say the name of the police force you would like to be connected to, or say the name of the nearest town.
Merseyside Police.
To Merseyside.
Welcome to Merseyside Police. This is Chief Constable Serena Kennedy. You can save time if you're reporting a non-emergency, looking for advice, or seeking an answer to a question by visiting our website merseyside.police.uk. There is also a lot of information about policing on the national Ask the Police website. If you still need to speak to us, please select one of the following options.
If your call is an emergency or a crime is happening now, please hang up and dial 999 immediately. Please note that all calls to Merseyside Police are recorded. Please listen to the following 3 options. You may find that it will save time to make a non-urgent report via our online options or via social media. Please press 1 to hear further information regarding this. To speak to a member of our staff regarding a general inquiry or to report a non-urgent crime that isn't occurring now, please press 2 and listen to the available options. If you wish to speak to a member of our staff to report a non-urgent crime or to make further inquiries about a crime that you have already reported, please press 1. To speak to a member of staff about all other Thank you for calling Merseyside Police non-emergency line. Your call will be answered by the next available member of staff. Thank you for continuing to hold. You may find that you can save time by visiting our website and selecting Ask the Police.
Merseyside Police, how can I help?
Are you right? I've got a reference number for you if that helps.
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry, am I on loudspeaker?
Yeah.
Could you take me off because I'm struggling to hear you properly? It's very echoey.
Hello?
How can I help?
Yeah, hi, I've got a reference number if that helps.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, it's 05E.
05.
E for elephant.
Sorry, I'm really struggling to hear you. It's very echoey. Are you able to move?
Yeah, how's that? Right, yeah, 05E 400 24122. Right, well, it's a court action against me for assault. Yeah, Mr. Lewis Daniel Bryan. 16th of the 1st, 1991. YAN, Y for yellow. Basically, I'd like to make a report against Lucy Rowley, who works at Broadoak Unit in Liverpool. Yeah, I'd like to make a counter police report, please. It happened on, there's no date on your letter. I've got a letter from Constable S. Brown saying that I've done something wrong to her. There's no date, so 21st of the 6th, 2022 is the date she's put down. Yeah. That's correct, yeah. Lucy Rowley, spelled R-O-W-L-E-Y. Basically, what's happened is, I've queued up for my meal after being wrongly sectioned, which is just infuriating, and then I've eaten the meal, and it stained my teeth with a gravy stain. It's actually got acid in it, and I believe she's put acid in the food. Then I've asked her to go and get my meal, and she said green bean to me. So she said it out loud, so I believe that she's poisoned me. And I've got moved ward. We had an argument, and then she claimed I've assaulted her, and then the police turned up, and then we moved me to a different ward. Yeah, I'm on a different ward. I'm in L9 1EP now. No, the best number to contact me on is 07498 947 888. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, please do get in contact. I've actually got another one here as well. A letter from S. Brown again about Pauline Allen. 05E301 She said I've assaulted her as well. Now, I'd like to make an assault claim against her for throwing a box at me. Thank you. Do you know how long it'll be? Because I mean, I got caught on the 4th of July. Right, thanks a lot. Alright, cheers for your time, man. Thanks. Bye.